Good morning. My name is Rick Smith, President and Chief Consultant of Contingency Consulting. We're a professional training company, and we train thousands of first responders. Just in a month, we'll train 1,000 first responders in a month. And we're here today coming to you live from the 2019 SHOT Show, and we're here with our friends from PerSys Medical. And every person that we train, we utilize the Emergency Bandage, the Israeli bandage. This bandage has saved countless lives in San Antonio and all the other areas and venues that we train in. As a trainer, we get feedback from our students when they utilize the equipment, and hands down, this bandage has probably saved more lives than any other tool that is provided to them in their IFAK kit. I personally am a 27-year first responder, and I personally use this bandage to attest to the value of it. This bandage is a pressure bandage. It can also be used as a tourniquet. You can also use it as a sling. So it's a tool that you can have multi-uses with, but the most important use is a life-saving tool. So I highly recommend that if you don't have one of these in your personal kit or your work kit, that you seek it out and you get one in.